Hello, welcome to G67 1.6 AB, PBA 32. We're going to be dividing and multiplying positive and negative integers here to solve this very important question. What would you say about a dish made from beef, potatoes, carrots, and onions that tastes terrible? Yeah, it sounds like a real gut buster, I'm sure, when we get this one figured out. So anyway, you almost kind of want to know just to see how stupid the answer is. All right, let's get going here. We got 5 times 6, which is 30. And then that is going to be a negative 30 because we have one negative symbol. So that will connect down here. I can cross this guy here out. Then I got 4 times 6. This is 4 times 9. This is 36. And it's a negative 36 because I have one negative symbol. So I can cross this guy here out. Okay. Then I got 3 times 12. That's 36. It's a negative times a negative, so that's a positive 36. So that gets rid of this 36 down here. I got 30 times 0, which is 0, and it's 0 is neither negative or positive. But so that would be up here. Get rid of B, and now we have the letter S left over. So we go up here to number 1, and we put in the letter S, and we keep going on that. Okay. Let's take a look at maybe a little bit more challenging box here. This one here. Well, this is a negative 8 squared. This is really a negative 8. Oops. This is really going to be a negative 8 times a negative 8 because see the exponents on the outside. So that's going to be a positive 64. So get rid of that. Positive 64. And now I've got, this is going to be a negative 3, so this is going to be negative 3, negative 3, negative 3. Well, 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, and you've got 3 negatives, so this one's going to be a negative 27. And then this one here, well, this is a little bit different, so this is going to be 3 times, you got negative 4 times negative 4. So this is really going to be 3 times 16. And that's 48, and it's a positive 48 because you have 2 negatives. And then it'll be the same thing here, 7, negative 10, negative 10. This is going to be 700. So go on up here and cross off this. So for number 6, we've got the letter D. So 6, we can put in a D. Okay, now you will have to do some substituting. When you get down here, we'll just take a look at one of these boxes. We have to substitute some answers in. So you've got A, B. We'll just substitute them in. Again, put them in parentheses. 6, negative 2. Well, that's going to be 12. And you've got a negative times a positive, so that's going to be negative 12. So that's going to be this one right here. Straight across. This is going to be AB squared. This is where it gets a little crazy. So we've got the A, which is 6, that in parentheses, and then we got to put the B in parentheses too. The B is a negative 2, and that's squared. So really what we have here, I'm going to go off to the side here and write it. We really have 6 times a negative 2 times a negative 2. Well, this is going to be a positive 4 times 6, so this is going to be 24 here. Okay. Down here, this one's a little crazy too, because now you're going to have a negative number inside there. Well, let's just see what happens. So you're going to have 6. So you'll have 6 times a negative 2. And that's all going to be squared. So what you're going to have is you're going to have a negative 12 inside, but you have to multiply that by itself. So that's going to be a positive 144. 12 times 12. And then here you have negative A squared. So now that's going to be negative, and that's going to be 6 squared. So that's going to be 6 squared is 36. And you still got that negative up there, so that's going to become a negative 36. All right, so you end up with I right here. So C is I, which is 8. I right up here. Okay? And you work your way through the rest of them like that. They can be a little tricky, but it's a really good activity. It's really good practice. Okay, good luck.